Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 apps that you can get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called Photo Math, and it allows you to scan some math problem with your camera and get them solved in basically a few seconds. So let's say, for example, I have this quadratic equation to solve. That is written on a piece of paper. So now I'll go ahead and open up the Photo Math. And all that I need to do in order for this quadratic equation to be solved is to align it with this very frame and get the picture of it. So I'll do it right now. Tap on the red circle, and as you can see, my math problem has been solved very swiftly. Here we can see some of the all of the solving steps it took for the app to solve this quadratic equation, and also further explanation of each step individually. And just like that, you can basically solve anything that you will have hard times solving yourself. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the second app that is called WTMP. That is short for Who Touched My Phone. And this app, once activated, will imperceptibly take the photos from the selfie camera of your device each time somebody is trying to unlock your phone or actually unlocks it. So here, once the app is launched, in order to activate it, just tap on this power on gray button. The battery optimization step we can just go ahead and skip. And as you can see, by the fact that this button turned green and this two white line appeared, this app has been successfully enabled. If you are launching this app for the first time, it will probably require for you to, get in some permits or usage access. So you can just go ahead and grant it to the WTMP. Now let's test it out. So let's say, for example, I'm some stranger who is trying to gain an unauthorized access to your device. You have some kind of the screen unlock method set, like pattern, pin, or password. This person is trying to, enter this pattern, or draw the pattern or enter the pin, and it fails and decides to leave it as it is and go away. So next time you actually take the phone, you can just go ahead, open up the WTMP app, and you can see two entries at the journal of this application. So the first entry being the fact that the device has not been unlocked and the respective selfie camera photo taken. And the same goes for the device unlocked entry as well. So that's how this app precisely works. And the final app that we would like to share with you in this video is called Caffeine. And prior of showing what this application is capable of, let me go to the settings and the display and brightness category. In here you'll see that the maximum value that we can set as per the auto screen of section is 30 minutes. So basically this app solved this issue and lets you to set bigger values, or even as it is right now, set it to infinite, which basically means that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful or interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!